1790, there's reports from the Upper District, or Gashahapen, they call the Upper District Gashahapen, and then the Lower District, or sometimes it's called the Middle District, is another controversy, not controversy, but irregularity, I guess, in naming why, what were they? Were they the Lower District or the Middle District? I think they were, my spin is that they were Lower District until the 1840s. In the 1840s, Allen found a reference in the minutes of a conference that the Germantown Yakel gang really should have a church. And nothing ever came of it, but I forget if it's the 20s, I think it's the 1840s, it may be 1820s, this discussion arose, and I think at that point then they started calling them the Lower District, and the folks skip out to mention the Middle District, I think. But you see it going back and forth at times, inconsistency, even into the 20th century, there's an inconsistency. When Philadelphia Church starts, then there's a shift to the Middle District versus the Philadelphia District. But anyway, there's two records kept for the charity fund. But every year they brought them together and they each laid out the reports. And they considered, through all this time, they considered it one charity fund. And that's important to figure out. And ultimately, throughout the 19th century, the charity fund is administered by two separate groups, basically the deacons by the end of the 19th century. The deacons, but it's considered one. And this becomes important in 1902. And I want to blow through some of it. You can see the transition in these records from pounds to dollars. And another neat thing. I just found it a couple minutes ago. 1778, it specifically says continental geld, continental money. Well, yeah, probably at that time it wasn't worth it. We've heard this exists, and we found this wallet with this note. The purse in continental money deposited by Joseph K. Schultz, a property of the charity fund. What in the world is he talking about? Well, on the other side of the wallet is a wonderful folded envelope with some couple of coins. And what they are 1682 shillings. Yeah, I would say. Although I didn't study it and I don't know enough about it for sure. But continental currency, and then this was in there, we separated it. Here's script, continental script, about 40-some pieces of continental script from the year 1770, I think, or 1768, 1770, through as late as 1777, 1778. This is like valuable stuff now. But I think this is some of the, I believe, I don't know how to, you can't guarantee it, but it's possible that it's some of the currency that they were collecting in that time period, still passed on for us today. I think that's just so cool. But they recorded everything British pounds until around 1820s, in the 1820s. In this book, it's 1824, 1825, it shifts to dollars and cents for pounds. In another book, it's later on in the 1820s, it's like 1828, 1829 to 1830. Whether that was the lower middle district versus the upper district, and one shifted before the other, I don't really know. And then the other interesting thing to see in these is the transition from German to English, and the amount of English that was mixed in with the German, sort of in 1792 they used the word plastering. I don't think that's a German word. plastering the meeting houses came out of this fund. And I don't know how you would express that in German, but
Pflaster.
yeah, so it was.
It's almost the same word.
It's almost the same word, but it comes across to me, maybe it's my English looking at it, wanting to read English in there, but when they talk about Edmund Flynn getting some money, they're giving him some money to help to support his sister-in-law who can't afford her rent, and it happens several years, and also plastering the meeting houses out of the charity fund, which is sort of an interesting. But the transition in the 1890s from German record-keeping to English record-keeping takes place. You can see that in the book. So that's another interesting thing.